Akshay Kumar. The popular Bollywood actor belongs from Punjab but decided to maintain his silence on his protest of farmers. People are very much angry on this actor for not standing beside the farmers in this tough time. Kangana Ranaut. This actress made huge headlines when she locked horns with Diljit Dosanjh for saying something against the protests. Kangana was badly trolled on the internet by people for saying against the farmers. Sunny Deol. People expected this actor turned politician who also belongs from Punjab to speak up for the farmers. But people were disappointed with him as he made lame excuses for not standing beside them. Shah Rukh Khan. Everybody looks up to the Khans of Bollywood as their voice matters to millions of people. But neither publicly nor on internet Shah Rukh Khan has spoken anything regarding the ongoing protest. Kareena Kapoor. Bebo has been in the industry for many years and one of the top actresses, and many people follows her ardently. This actress to maintain a stern silence on the ongoing protests by farmers across the country. Ajay Devgan. Another highest paid actors of Bollywood, Ajay Devgan chose to remain silent and did not utter a single word for farmers. He preferred silence over supporting the farmers on this ongoing protest against the Farmers' Bill. Deepika Padukone. The actress who stood beside the students of JNU is maintaining her silence on this protest of farmers. Neither on social media platform nor publicly, Deepika has opened her mouth and said a single thing about the protest. Alia Bhatt. Young Bollywood actress Alia Bhatt, upon whom young generation looks up, is also silent about farmers. This actress is maintaining a silence on this ongoing protest of farmers. Ranveer Singh. Ranveer has a huge fan following on the social media, but he also kept his mum on this matter. His fans are very much offended with him for not speaking in support of the farmers. Ranbir Kapoor. Bollywood actor Ranbir Kapoor, in spite of having a huge fan base, is maintaining silence on this matter. He has completely denied to talk on this matter and not to stand beside the farmers. Shahid Kapoor. Bollywood actor Shahid Kapoor, who did movie based on Punjab, is silent on Punjabi farmers' protest. He has not even shared a single post regarding this protest of farmers. What are your thoughts about this? Let us know in the comment section and subscribe to our channel for more updates.